Hello everybody, Mark Stepp here. Wanted to go over a challenge that we've had a few different users run into. I want to make sure that it's taken care of and you guys understand the challenge. Whenever you're setting up your Google account, and normally it'll have some kind of, piece here. If you're getting an error message whenever you're trying to send and it says something in the error message about not having permissions, it could be that the permissions question, there's a little checkbox and you may have missed that little process. And if that's the case, we need to go through a couple steps to reconcile or rectify the problem. So first thing that you can do or should do is go into the settings integrations under Google and go ahead and just delete the authorization that's currently there. Just select that and select yes to confirm that. So you no longer have that authorization piece in there. Now, what you can do is go to this address, and I'll include it as a link in the description of this video, but you go to your myaccountsgoogle.com connections, and this is a place in Google that shows you all the different connections that you've got set up that uses an OAuth, an authorization to Google. And you'll see one here for Systems Accelerator Manager, being SAM. And what you can do is click on it, just scroll down to the very bottom of this and say, delete all connections with SAM. Once you delete that, we're going to go ahead and confirm it. Once you've deleted it, then it'll say that you've no longer got any connections, which is what we want. So by having that in there, now whenever you come in and you choose to add a new authorization, it'll come up, go through the process of asking you for your account and that you want to connect. What will happen is on this next screen here, it comes up with this list of, hey, SAM or Systems Accelerator Manager wants to connect to your Google account. Do you want to allow that? Well, you have the opportunity to just click on continue, but you really need, in order to send, you really need to make sure that you have checked this checkbox. And if you've already authorized it, this checkbox will not show. So that's why we needed to delete that authorization prior to doing this process. So you click on this little checkbox that you want to be able to send on your behalf, and then click on continue. Then it'll go through the process of making that connection and once again be connected, but this time it'll be connected with the appropriate permissions that is needed in order to send a message. And that's kind of it. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, certainly reach out. We're happy to step you through this if you need any additional help. Have a great day.